Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut not opening on Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open the Settings window. Select Apps from the left-hand side, then click Installed Apps. Find CapCut in the list, use the search box, or scroll manually. Click the three dots next to CapCut and select Uninstall. Confirm by pressing OK. Step 2. Reinstall CapCut. If you downloaded it from a web browser, open the Microsoft Store, search for CapCut, and click Install. If you downloaded it from the Microsoft Store, visit the official CapCut website, download the application, and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 3. After reinstalling, open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Select Allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall and click Change Settings. Scroll to find CapCut. If it's not listed, click Allow another app, then Browse. If you're unsure where CapCut is saved, right-click the desktop shortcut, select Open File Location, and copy the file path. Go back to the settings, paste the path, and add CapCut.exe. Ensure private and public are checked, then press OK. Step 4. If the issue persists, open the Start menu, search for Optional Features, and click View Features. Search for Media Feature Pack. I already installed it, so it's not showing. If it's not installed, install it. This could resolve the issue. Once done, try launching CapCut again. This should fix the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.